Y'all know my favorite thing to do is complain about the pizzas I get. And I gave Papa John's another chance. And I thought it was kind of weird because the delivery girl came and she had the pizza carrying container, whatever it is. She was holding it like a purse, which meant that it was like completely sideways. So as soon as she gave me the pizza, I opened it up before I even go into the house, and this is what it looked like. Yeah, doesn't that look good? That's how you do me, Papa John's? After about, 6 months since I last ordered from you? Maybe even longer? Yeah, see? That's why I don't mess with you. That's good. Yeah. What's going on, YouTube? I'm here with my man, Scratch Time. Check out his channel. I just had one of his pizzas. Video for the recipe in the description down below. But it was awesome. So, check that out.
Come party with me too.
Yes, definitely. Check it out. He's going to have a whole lot more videos coming up. In fact, we're going to be doing something special real soon. So look out for that.
Yes.
Yes, definitely.
Don't miss it.
Definitely.
It's going to be on both of our channels. So give us both some love. Like and subscribe. See you soon.
Definitely. See y'all later.